Hello everyone. Well, I'm back. I'm making some wings for you all. These are mild and they've just got the best flavor. Um, I don't like breading my wings for reasons that I like to dip my wings. Um, I like to put hot sauce on my wings. And if I dip it and I put hot sauce on it, well, you know, you can't have the breading because the breading is extra calories. So trust me, you can't even tell. These are so good. Anyway, I put a little bit of my sauce that I showed you there. It's an Asian miso sauce. It's sugar-free. One of my favorite sauces that they have out there. This is avocado oil. It's got a high smoke point. And we will be putting these in the oven. And my 14 spices. I'm sure y'all are getting tired of seeing that 14 spices, but I'm telling you what, it tastes good. It's got all the right spices. You ought to try it out. Now with the pepper, you're going to see that I don't show you the complete pour because it actually, I had it open on the wrong side. So I had to take the pepper out of it. So I had a mess to clean up. And I'm adding my Cajun seasoning. Not so much to, put us on fire, just enough so you can taste it. And my garlic powder. And you just mix it up. And you're going to toss your wings in there and mix them up. I started them at first one at a time, but then I just threw them all in there. Got tired of it. And after you get done doing that, you put them in the refrigerator for a few hours. Cover them up, put them in the refrigerator, let them marinate. And then pull them out and put them in the oven at 425 degrees. And you're going to leave them on until they're crispy and done the way you like it. Right there, they have already been marinated. And I'm repositioning them. I put them on a silicone, what do you call it? Instead of putting parchment paper, I use the silicone sometimes because I'm out of my parchment paper. I'm just making sure that they're enough apart so the heat can get between them. And I think I cooked them for, if I remember right, it was 35 minutes. But check because you never know, with everybody's ovens and the climates and stuff like that. Always keep an eye on your food. Anyway, it's about to go in. And this is how they came out. I gotta tell you, they have so much flavor all the way through them. You won't be disappointed. That is what I had. And of course he had this much. He likes his sauce and hot sauce. He likes to keep the mild sauce though. Anyway, that's what we had at Mary's place. Have a great day. I love you all.